Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to disable virtualization in HP Windows. The first thing you need to do, the first step is accessing the BIOS/UEFI. So you start by restarting your HP computer. Then during the startup process, you need to press a specific key to enter the BIOS/UEFI setup. Some of the common keys include F10, F2, delete and escape key. So refer to your HP computer's manual or support page to know the exact key to press. Next, navigate within the BIOS/UEFI by using the arrow keys and the enter key to navigate through the menu. Then locate virtualization settings. Look for options related to virtualization technology. Common names include Intel Virtualization Technology, AMD Virtualization Technology, and Virtualization Technology itself. Once you've found it, select the option to disable or opt for the virtualization technology you found. Next, press the designated key to save the changes, usually F10. Select Yes or Save and Exit to confirm, and then restart your computer. Your CPU must support virtualization technology before you can do this. The exact menu location and options may vary slightly depending on your specific HP computer model and BIOS/UEFI version. Always refer to your HP computer documentation or support website for the most accurate and up-to-date instruction for your specific model. Modifying BIOS settings can have unintended consequences if not done correctly. Please proceed with caution and refer to your computer's documentation for guidance. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.